Aww. Yes, he is. He wants the other car with the pink wheel. And he also wants mommy to make a mess, apparently. What's it doing, JJ?
What's it doing?